DoorDash this week rolled out some major changes in a lot of markets. It has me questioning, what is DoorDash up to? And what does it mean for you as a driver? And how does it really affect your money and your pockets?
All right, before we get into today's video, let's just give a special thanks to today's sponsor, Para. And you can now track your mileage for free with Para. You can also like and dislike customers, restaurants, and locations, auto decline lowball offers, see hidden trip information, including the exact drop-off address, see if you're delivering to a house or an apartment, and know the total payout. Also, earn up to $50 an hour with ParaWorks, doing high-paying catering, packaging, and medical delivery jobs in your market. Check the link in the description below. Let's get back to today's video.
Welcome back, everyone. I am Kim from Kim's Side Money Plans. I'm here for the RideShare Guy. DoorDash rolled out in my market 4 new rollouts. And, well, in a lot of areas this past week, some of you might already have it. And if you don't have it, you are going to want to listen up in case it comes to your market so you know what to expect. Stick around until the very last update because this one will affect your money big time. I'll give you some tips that will help you to continue to make money in this gig economy. It's almost amusing how this got rolled out. It was not all at one time. It was over a series of a couple days. It started in one afternoon when all of a sudden the live promo in my area was complete 6 deliveries in a row. Yes, you heard me. In a row, no declines, and you get $9, which this will mean something in the other rollouts that are coming, so stay tuned. But at first glance, it was an extra $1.50 per order if you do the math. It really isn't. It's technically a lot less when we get to the last update, so bear with me. But I tried doing, and they're called streaks, I tried doing this new program. Yeah, you might think $9 is pretty awesome. Yeah, not so much. Do you honestly think DoorDash is going to give you all fabulous and fantastic diamond orders with low miles? We don't live in the land of Oz. They will give you crap orders at some point that you don't want to complete. But you have to in order to complete the streak. So next that came through in my area was the 90% completion rate. At first, I was like, no big deal. I maintain 95% anyway because I'm on the large order program. If you get this, please don't think you need to raise your completion rate all at the same time. In my area, they will actually reset it December 6th. It will be up to you at that point to maintain it. For those of you that are new to DoorDash, this means you can only cancel 10 out of 100 rolling completed orders. To me, this is just another way of DoorDash controlling orders being delivered, which is always their main objective, and it's good customer service. If you are a multi-apper and cancel to take a better order on another platform, you're going to have to be a little bit more strategic in the amount of cancels that you do going forward. Okay, moving on. Next thing they rolled out was Earn by Time, which a lot of you already have in your current market. You can toggle Earn by Time or Earn by Offer. I did try this out this past week and I made $20 in 1 hour. Will you get no tip and crap orders? Yeah, you will. Will you get long mile orders? Yeah, you will. In my opinion, you need to pick and choose the times you might want to do Earn by Time. In my area, I'll probably use it, if I do use it, during the slow times when there's slim or no chance of orders coming into my phone, such as mid-mornings and late afternoons. I would not recommend doing this during peak times where you can make more money during Earn by Offer. Be careful of long miles, and if the miles driven will be worth the hourly pay they are offering in your own area. I don't know what that is. You will be able to tell on your screen. So lastly, I saved the best for last. well, in my opinion, the worst for last. When I saw this, I was pissed, and most drivers should be. I know I don't like losing money, and I'm sure you don't like to either. I hate this, and as a driver, it makes me feel like they don't value us at all. Here I am ranting before I even tell you what it is. They lowered the base pay to $2. Let me break this down a little further. I average on a weekly basis around 100 deliveries per week, which means I'm now losing $75 per week, $300 per month, and $3,900 per year. Are you kidding me? Now, just even think of this. How many drivers are they taking money away from, and how much more money is DoorDash keeping in their pockets? Yeah, I'll let that one sink in. By doing this, drivers are bottom line losing money, and now we might have to make up for it by working longer hours or working different apps. It's so infuriating because in my years of DoorDash, I have seen base pay go from $5 down to $2. How low can they keep going before we actually work for free? Scary, right? Oh, also, did I mention they snuck this one in too. All stacked orders are now only a $2 base, which means it's now $1 per order, or if you look at it this way, buy one, get one free. Now, let's revisit the streak, which was the first rollout. I said on the surface you would be earning $1.50 per order. Well, taking the money you lose from base pay, well, now you're only making 75 cents per order if you complete the delivery streak. Man, how much worse can it get? To me, this is the worst rollout I've seen from DoorDash yet. It makes you really evaluate as a driver, are we independent contractors? And do they treat us as such? That would be, in my opinion, yeah, absolutely not. DoorDash has programs designed to play mind games with drivers, such as acceptance rate programs, tier programs, or diamond programs. They are now saying a driver can only get rid of 10% of their orders. According to the new email as well, you must maintain a 50% acceptance rate in order to have that Dash Now feature, which means some Dashers will now have to schedule if they can even get one. And they are definitely controlling how long you can go out, if you can schedule, and do I even go there with transparency? Man, that's another video for another day. All signs to me do not lead to independent contractor, but they use it as a convenience, I feel like, a lot. So let me know if you think DoorDash is treating us like independent contractors. Why is it so complicated to work DoorDash these days? What happened to the days where an order came into your phone, you looked at it, you either accepted it or you declined it, and then you delivered it? Simple pick-up, drop-offs, pick-up, drop-off. But what can you do to continue to make money in this gig economy if DoorDash is your only app or your main app? Don't panic. There are always other options. All drivers at this point should diversify their apps and sign up for different kinds of apps. There are so many out there to choose from. I personally have 16. Do I use all of them every single day? No. But I have so many options that when stuff like this happens and I get so angry and so aggravated with DoorDash for taking money out of my pockets, it doesn't stop me from making my own money. I turn on other food delivery apps such as Uber Eats and Grubhub, shopping apps. I mean, God, you have so many to choose from. Instacart, Walmart, Spark, Shipt. There's probably a lot more I'm not thinking off the top of my head. Catering apps, Deliver app, Paraworks, Last Mile apps, Roadie. Oh my God, there's so many that you can choose from. I can just go on and on. I suggest multiple streams of income coming in from all different directions so you will never be just app reliant on one app. Do not let any of these apps control you. You control and you pick and choose the apps that will make you the most amount of money that you can in your own area. Now, I can't tell you because I don't know your own area what works and what doesn't work. Unfortunately, you might have to do a little trial and error, but it is definitely worth doing the research. So let me know, what do you think of all these changes, even if you've had them in your area for a while? I want to hear from each and every one of you because this is a lot to take in and a huge decrease in pay. I'm sure you guys are just as passionate about this as I am, and it sparks a lot of emotion. So thanks for watching until the very end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure all notifications are turned on for the latest information. Don't forget to smash that like button as well. Looking for more DoorDash content? Check this video out. Next, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.